Section 1. Step-by-step instruction. Form 1. Jin Ho Xianshan Ba Ri Wang, Golden Monkey gazing at the sun from the sacred mountain. Jin Ho Xianshan Ba Ri Wang, Golden Monkey gazing at the sun from the sacred mountain. Form both hands into monkey hands, and slightly raise your right leg with the knee bent. Touch the ground with your right toes, keeping your left knee slightly bent. Simultaneously, twist your left shoulder backward. As you twist back, scoop downward with your right monkey hand. Lift your left monkey hand upward as your left shoulder twists backward. Continue to arc and twist your left shoulder backward while lifting your right foot. As you lift, hop lightly on your left foot. Spring and kick with both feet in the air, landing on your right foot first. Bend your right knee and touch the ground with your left toes. Continue lifting your right arm, then lower the monkey hand to the left side of your waist. Bend your left elbow and position the monkey hand in front of your head. Keep your left palm facing down, and scratch with your right hand at the left side of your waist. Lean your torso slightly to the right and look to the left.